Today we're learning how to make this awesome slide in PowerPoint. Let's start from a blank slide. Right click Format Background and add a darker gray as background. Next we'll add a text box with a word that you want, in our case awesome. Change the font to Montserrat, make it white, bold, and increase the font size to about 115. Arrange, align, and align to center, and then position it correctly. Next we're going to select the word, copy it, paste it, and when you paste it, you want to paste it as a picture. Then we have a picture object in which we increase the size so it matches the word that we have. Right click, crop, and we're going to crop the bottom part of the word and position it on top. Duplicate it once more, crop, and reduce the visibility of the word even more. And one more time, crop, and leave only the top part of the word. Copy to the bottom, crop, and here we want to shift the crop area so the top part of the word gets cropped. Copy it once more, crop again, reduce the letter to about half. One more time. And there we have it. And then to the bottom. Now we're going to select the layers, right click, Format Object, Picture, Picture Transparency. You have to select them one by one. And put the transparency to about 50%. Make sure both top and bottom sides are equal, and then reduce the transparency to 75%. 75%, and for the last one, maybe 95%. 95%. This way we already created the visual. Now let's look at the animation part. For that we want to duplicate the slide because the end positioning is perfect. And on the first slide we want to right click, crop, and we want to drag from the top parts, we want to drag the picture outside of the crop area, we want to drag it downwards. Do the same for the other ones on top, so drag them down so they're not visible anymore. Same for the one at the top. And then from the bottom parts, we want to drag them upwards. We want to drag them outside of the crop field, but to the top, so they flow in nicely to the bottom. Do it for the middle one and the bottom one. Drag that part out. And now we go to transitions and add a morph transition to the second slide. And let's preview. Now you know how to make this nice and awesome slide. You can really customize it with any word that you like. Thanks a lot for watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video.